make you dey.
I'll be here. I don't watch for you.
If you come, sorry.
Goat is a she.
Goat is a she. Goat is a she.
Goat is a she, oh. Goat is a she. Ah! Hey.
What are you doing here?
I was waiting for you now, you know. I was just sitting waiting for you here.
You sure?
Now. See, babe, get what I want to tell you, eh? It is very, very important.
What's that?
No, just come out. Move go that side, go talk.
Wait now.
No, go talk that side. No, if you talk here now, your sister will hear us.
You.
Eh?
All right, though.
See, almost say you find like 20 people. Come on now. Eh? Hey. Almost. Jesus Christ. This one that they call Elewuku.
No, they want me.
You can nyash killing goat. See, baby. What I want to tell you is say, there's a new joint. We come outside now.
For this area.
For that VI side. This joint, very new joint. That's I don't want to open them this night. I want to take you there, man, spoil you.
You want to take me there, spoil me?
I won't spoil you. Woto. Yaga. And that's one time. I want to make me there, they wait for you. I don't ask your sister. Sister say, you know, the others. I just put chairs down and they wait for you. So what you got me say? That kind 7. I could be for phone. You understand me? I'll call you back. Can't carry us.
Okay, no wala.
Just make sure you're ready for me.
No problem.
Shake it. Oh! Wow. I hope so my guy don't escape.